Hi friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to create a stored procedure with multiple output parameters. We can create a stored procedure with parameters and without parameters. Even if you want to give a parameters, you can use both input parameter, output parameter, or input parameter only. It can possible to create a stored procedure. Now the scenario is I have a table called ICC underscore cricket. So here I have 30 records. So here we found the ICC gave the ranking to the batsmen based on their performance in the year 2022. In which format they gave their best performance based on this different players of different countries. So here I am using one input parameter, one input parameter, and three output parameters. The logic of my store procedure is if I pass the input parameter is I am taking as a player name. If I pass the input parameter, I need to get the details of the rank, country name, and the in which format the players should get the rank. These three details. So one input parameter and three output parameters I am giving in the store. Creating the store procedure. Create proc or procedure and name of the procedure. Get player rank details. This is my name of the procedure. Now I am giving the first input parameter at player name. Player name is varchar data type. Next one is three output parameters. First one is country name. Country name varchar of 20 at rank ICC rank. Rank is the column name. I am giving the parameter name as rank integer. Third one is format type. Format type is also varchar. So one is input parameter and three output parameters. If you want to specify output parameter, you need to pass either out or output to get to know the parameter whether it is input or output. Now as begin and end. Okay. So in between we need to write a select statement. Select at player name, at country name. First one at country name. At country name is equal to what is the column name? Country. Country, comma at ICC rank is equal to rank in the column name, comma at format type is equal to format from your table name ICC cricket. So where at player name is equal to player name is equal to name. Name is the column name of your player name. So this is the store procedure. So if I create the proc, so this is created successfully, and check your programmability store procedure and refresh your store procedure. See here, get player rank details. Get player rank details. So proc is created. So once you declare any output parameter, you need to create one variable to store the value to the variable and to print the variable, output variable. So for that, take declare. So I have to create three different variables for three output parameters. The first one is output country name semicolon. So if you have multiple output parameters, you have to separate with the semicolon, not comma. Output rank, ICC rank, and third one is output format type. So I declared three variables for three parameters. Now I want to execute store procedure. If you want to execute store procedure and get pass. It prompts you to enter the values. Values first for the input parameter. So player name is the input parameter. See here, player name is the input parameter. Rest of the parameters are output parameter. It asks you to enter the input parameter value for the input parameter. So now I am giving the value for first value. This is my first value I am giving. So the next one it is asking country variable name. So country name is the varchar output parameter. So I want to pass that variable name here. Just mention the out. Next one is I'm giving out next variable. So if you do not mention the out, it won't take. You have to mention the out. And third one is output format type variable. Out is the parameter. So now I want to select all these values. Select name comma rank comma so now I am going to execute them. Yeah, you need to pass the data types. Third one is varchar 10. Now if I execute this query, so I passed the value here input parameter as player name Surya Kumar Yadav, so that I will get return the output parameters, three output parameters. First one is India, country name, rank, and the cricket format type. So if you want to make it more clear, country name as rank, and third one is as format type. So now I'm changing the value one more time. So I'm taking the Steve Smith. Steve Smith as the input parameter value, so that I need to get the other details of the Steve Smith. See here, related to country Australia and his rank as 8th, and in rank in which format he get the rank ODI format. So So this is how you need to create your multiple output parameters as per your logic. Here I'm taking the one input parameter and three output parameters, and you have to mention the out at the end of the every parameter. So as and begin, so in this line select statement, I'm mapping with the country name, that is the output parameter, with my column name. So all these three columns. So decide to give the output parameter, you have to declare the variable so that it will value is saved in the variable to select the value in select statement. So here I am taking the three output variables here with along with data types, and you need to put the semicolon, not comma. If I put the comma, it throws error. See here, it throws error. So if you have multiple output parameters, you have to declare the variables with semicolon. Finally, execute your store procedure with first one is input parameter and second one is three output parameters. And here also you need to mention, after mentioning your variable name, you need to give the out. Otherwise, it won't take. Suppose I remove the out here. If I try to execute the same query, it gives the value as the country name as the null because I have removed the out here. Okay, you have to provide the out or output. Suppose I am taking one more Joe root. So now I am giving the changing the value of the input parameter. So I need to check is related to England player and his rank is 5th, and then test he gave ICC rank. So this is how you need to use the multiple output parameter while creating the store procedure. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.